Today on City Foodie Farm, we will be making an easy weeknight meal, peanut chicken stir fry. This meal is definitely my go-to meal on those days where I just don't know what to make, because you can use whatever vegetables you have on hand. All you need to do is create this peanut sauce with these ingredients, and you can easily just throw them into your NutriBullet, or if you have a blender, makes it pretty simple. Add in your soy sauce, sesame oil, rice wine vinegar, olive oil, brown sugar, and ginger, jalapeno, garlic, peanut butter, definitely need that, and cilantro. And then blend it up. You really don't have to chop your garlic or ginger because it will be blended. And this is when you want to taste it. And I always seem to add different things each time, but you'll want to add in probably a little bit more sweetness. I usually add in the squeeze of an orange, and also I might sprinkle in some more brown sugar or even honey. But you'll be using part of it for your marinade, for your chicken, if you choose chicken, and the rest you'll be using for your vegetables. So grab a pot, and you'll need a couple spoonfuls of coconut oil, and then you'll want to cook your chicken first. So just kind of shake off the chicken with the marinade and put it right in the pan. And you'll be cooking each side until your chicken is cooked. And let me tell you guys, this chicken really is flavorful with this sauce. And once it's cooked, you'll want to take it out of the pan, just put it on a plate, set it aside. You'll be adding it back in with your vegetables when they're done cooking. And we're going to use the same pan to cook our vegetables. There's going to be a lot of really great flavor on the pan. You'll want to add in a little bit more coconut oil to saute your vegetables. So you can add in your vegetables. You can start with whatever kind of vegetable you had on hand. I'm using red peppers, broccoli. I even cut up some of the stems, as long as it's not like woody or anything. But you can also saute part of the stem as well as the heads of the broccoli. And then I also have some sugar snap peas. And I actually just made this meal this week, actually. That's what inspired me to pull up an old video footage of this meal that I had cooked. But I had made it with no chicken and just vegetables. And it was still really, really good. Once your vegetables are cooked and your chicken, you want to make sure that you've already started your noodles. So add back your chicken, and you can cook that for a little bit, mix it together, and then you'll want to add in your noodles as well. And now you can start adding in that peanut sauce. If you haven't added it to your vegetables yet, go ahead and add it now and toss everything around. Mix it up. And you'll probably have extra sauce. So if your noodles get a little bit dry, you can add in a little bit more sauce. And you'll want to also start prepping your garnishments. I usually will sprinkle in some green onions and some cilantro. And you can go ahead and add that before serving. Doesn't this look delicious? The vegetables that I used recently were carrots, purple cabbage, a couple different kinds of peppers. I'll try to share a picture so you know what I'm talking about. And even without the chicken, that dish was really good. So leave it out if you don't want it. But for this dish, it's ready. We can grab a bowl or a plate and start dishing it up. And my daughter actually really loves to use chopsticks, a pair that my husband had made. And this is a perfect meal for that. And you can actually top it with anything that you want. You can use those green onions and some cilantro, and you could even put some jalapeno slices on top if you'd like. I hope you guys enjoyed this meal. I hope you guys can try it because it's really good. Oh, and you can even put some peanuts on top. We've done that before. You can also check out cityfoodiefarm.com for more recipes. And until next time, happy cooking.